Yes, good morning all of you. This is the third video of class 5 science lesson number 4, our body. So in the last video we discussed about the skeletal system. Okay, the functions of the skeletal system we discussed. Now we will be doing the components of the skeletal system, that is what is the skeletal system made up of. Okay, so basically as you can see in this whiteboard, the skeletal system is having 4 components: skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs. Okay, so these are the 4 components: skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs. Now we will be discussing about these 4 components one by one. Now first coming to what is skull. Okay, so let me show you the skull. I have this child. Can you see her, all this head? This portion is skull. That is whatever body is in your this portion, that is head. Head is comprising the skull. Then what you need to remember is in the head, this lower jaw. Move your jaw. See, this jaw is movable. Rest everything will remain at its place. Okay, that is in the whole body. Only lower jaw is movable. Now when she is moving, she can talk, she can eat. Fine. So because of this skull and because of this movable jaw, that is this particular jaw is moving, we can talk and we can eat. Both the things. Now next is the backbone. Backbone is at the end of your body, back of your body, starting from here, from the neck till this particular, that is till the hips. It is of, its shape is like this. Okay, that is from here to here, the bones are arranged in vertebral column. They are 33 irregularly shaped, means the bones are not regular. They are, that is from here to here, there are 33 bones. They are not regular, the shape is not regular. Then because of this only we can stand. Okay, the child of 5 months is not able to stand because the backbone is not developed. Because of this only we can move, bend. Okay, see, when she is bending, this bone is bending. When she is standing, this bone is standing. Because of this she can stand properly. Now next is the rib cage. So the whole body, our body is having this particular place. Our body is having different internal organs that you had studied in your class 3, 2, etc. These internal organs are what? These are heart, these are lungs, kidneys, stomach, etc. Now you can feel from your body also, from here, okay, this particular place, chest. There are 12 pairs of bone starting from here and ending at the back. These are joined by a sternum here, that is called as, this hole is called as the rib cage, and they are protecting our internal bodies. Fine. Next you have the limbs. Limbs means like we are having 2 pairs of limbs. This is the 4 limbs, 1 hand, 2 hands. These are the 4 limbs. They help in different movement of the body parts, or we can use our hands. Then we have the legs. See, these 2 are the hind legs, that is these 2 pair. So these 2 are the legs, they are the pair. This pair is called as the hind leg. Next is there, thigh bone is there, that I have written on the whiteboard. Thigh bone is from this particular place, from the hip to this one. This is the longest bone in our body. Okay, this is the longest bone in our body. Now you go. So the summary of skeletal system I have written. You may write it from here. Okay, and in the next topic we will discuss the next part, that is the joints. Now I hope the whiteboard is clear and every word is visible. So you can write from here and the same thing will be uploaded in the parents portal. From there also you can write. But if you write from here, it will be easy for you to remember.